Serena Williams. A graded reader, level A1. Chapter 1, Small Beginnings in Compton. Serena lives in Compton, California. She is a small girl. The city is sometimes difficult. But Serena has a big family. She has 4 sisters. One sister is Venus. Serena and Venus are best friends. Their father is Richard Williams. Richard has a plan for his daughters. He wants them to play tennis. The tennis courts in Compton are not perfect. There are holes in the net. The ground is not smooth. But Serena does not care. She goes to the court every morning. She goes to the court every evening. She hits hundreds of balls. Her arms are tired. But she does not stop. She is only 5 years old. She is very small, but she is very strong. She hits the ball hard. People look at her and smile. They see a future star. Chapter 2, A New Home in Florida. The family moves to Florida. Florida is very sunny. It is a good place for tennis. Serena and Venus go to a tennis academy. They have a professional coach now. The courts are very nice here. Serena practices for many hours. She wakes up very early. She eats a healthy breakfast. Then, she goes to the court. The sun is hot. Serena drinks a lot of water. She runs fast. She jumps high. She practices her serve. A serve is very important in tennis. Serena's serve is very powerful. Venus is also very good. The sisters play against each other. They are sisters, but they are also rivals on the court. They want to win. But after the game, they hug. Family is more important than tennis. Chapter 3, Becoming a Professional. Serena is now a teenager. She is ready for big tournaments. She becomes a professional tennis player. This is her job now. She travels to many different cities. She plays in front of many people. She wears pretty beads in her hair. The beads click when she runs. It is a famous look. Serena is not afraid. She plays against women. The women are older than Serena. They are more experienced. But Serena is very fast. She wins her first matches. Her father is very proud. Her mother, Oracene, is always there. Serena listens to her family. They help her stay calm. Tennis is a mental game. You must be strong in your head. Serena learns this quickly. Chapter 4, The First Big Victory. It is the year 1999. Serena is in New York. She is at the US Open. This is a Grand Slam tournament. A Grand Slam is a very big deal. Serena plays very well. She reaches the final match. The stadium is full of people. The fans shout her name. Serena! Serena! She is nervous, but she is ready. She hits the ball with power. The match is difficult. But Serena is a fighter. She wins the final point. She is the champion. She is the first African-American woman to win a Grand Slam in many years. She holds the trophy high. It is silver and it is very bright. She is only 17 years old. She is a superstar. Her dream is now a reality. Chapter 5, The Number 1 Player. Serena continues to win. She wins in London at Wimbledon. She wins in Paris at the French Open. She wins in Melbourne at the Australian Open. People call this the Serena Slam. It means she holds all 4 big trophies at the same time. She is now the number 1 player in the world. No one can beat her. She is too fast. She is too strong. But life is not always easy. Sometimes Serena is sick. Sometimes she has an injury. Her knee hurts or her foot hurts. She must stay in bed. She cannot play tennis for some months. She is sad. But she does not give up. She works with a doctor. She goes to the gym. She wants to come back. She is a champion because she works hard even when it is difficult. Venus is always with her. They win many matches together as a team. They are the best sisters in the world of sports. Chapter 6: More Trophies and Difficult Times. Serena is very famous now. She has many trophies in her house. Every room has a gold or silver cup. But life is not always easy for her. She is sometimes very sad. Her older sister, Yitund, dies. It is a very bad time for the Williams family. Serena cries a lot because she loves her sister. She does not want to play tennis for a while. She stays at home with her mother and father. But then, she remembers her sister's smile. She remembers that her sister is proud of her. Serena decides to play again. She goes back to the court. She wins more matches for her family. She is a very brave person. She shows that you can be strong even when you are sad. Tennis helps her feel better. Chapter 7: Fashion and Business. Serena loves clothes and style. She likes bright colors like pink and yellow. She wears interesting outfits on the tennis court. Sometimes she wears a tutu or a black suit. Fans love to see what she wears. She is also a designer. She has her own fashion brand. Serena is not only a tennis player. She is a very smart businesswoman. She goes to big fashion shows in Paris and New York. She meets many famous people. She shows that a woman can be an athlete and a lady. She works in her office and on the court. She is a role model for many young girls. They see that they can do many things. Serena is happy when she creates new things. Her life is full of color and energy. Chapter 8: A Very Big Secret. In the year 2017, Serena is in Australia. She is at the Australian Open. The sun is very hot and the matches are long. Serena plays very well in every game. She reaches the final and she wins. She has 23 Grand Slam trophies now. This is a world record. She is the best player in the history of tennis. But Serena has a big secret. She is pregnant during the tournament. She has a small baby in her belly. The fans are very surprised when they hear the news. They think Serena is a superwoman. She is strong enough for two people. She is very happy to be a champion and a mother. She wins the trophy and then she prepares for her baby. Chapter 9: Serena and Olympia. Serena has a daughter now. Her daughter's name is Olympia. Olympia is very cute and has big eyes. Serena loves being a mother very much. She plays with her daughter every day at home. But Serena wants to play tennis again. It is very hard to be a mother and a champion at the same time. She is often very tired. She wakes up at night for the baby. Then she goes to practice in the morning. She works very hard to be fast again. Olympia watches her mother on the television. Sometimes Olympia goes to the stadium. She holds a small tennis racket in her hand. She wants to be like her mother. Family is the most important thing for Serena. She plays for her daughter now. Chapter 10: Saying Goodbye to the Court. Serena is older now. She is over 40 years old. She plays her last matches in New York at the US Open. The stadium is very crowded and loud. Famous people and fans come to see her. They shout, "We love you, Serena!" She plays with all her heart and all her power. She is not the winner of the tournament this time. But it does not matter to the fans. To them, she is always the champion. She cries and she smiles at the same time. She says goodbye to the tennis court. It is the end of a very big and beautiful story. She is ready for a new life with her family. She wants to do new things and help other people. She leaves tennis, but tennis will never forget her. The end.